up, y'all? So welcome back to another video. Lash Shake TV. If you looking where you not booking, duh. So come spend a date night with me in Charlotte. So right now it's not gonna be too much of a vlog, y'all, so just bear with me, please. But first I'm about to just go wash my car, and I might have y'all like get ready with me, my makeup and stuff. I just got a little bit of stuff from the beauty supply store. I bought some blush, and I bought this NYX like lipstick just to try it out, because I wanted to try something different than like pink gloss, but I got lipstick instead. So yeah, look at the hair. I don't know which vlog I'm gonna drop first, my hair vlog or this. Just bear with me. So yeah. But yeah, so right now I'm just about to get my car washed. I'm gonna do y'all a little good ready with me with my makeup and stuff and my outfit, because I really don't know what I'm wearing. I bought like 4 outfits, and then I'm gonna take y'all with me, well, with us on a little date night. So I hope y'all enjoy. And yeah. Ooh. What's up, y'all? So we are almost done. Well, not almost done. I'm getting ready. Well, I'm ready. This fit. It's a fit. So we finna go golf karting, I think. Not golf karting. Mini golf. And these the flowers. So cute. So we kind of coordinated. I'm gonna show you the sneak peek, but let's get into the beat. Kind of vibe. Do she want to say hey? He's been whining. I don't know why. But yeah, y'all, that's the outfit. So yeah, I'm gonna record when we get to the mini golf place. So we made it to Miss Monster Golf. We about to bowl right now, literally. Yeah, we gonna see how this night finna go. Fourth best is T. I've been on this bowling shit. I do this. Y'all, I lost in golfing, but I beat that ass in bowling. So now we about to go eat. About to go eat, right? We about to go to Firebirds, and then we might go jump bowling. Not gonna lie, just to give me an excuse to get a little drink. But yeah, bowling was fun. Oh, this was fun. This is tea. So we made it out to Den. So y'all, we bowling, and I don't want this music to get me copyrighted, so I'm about to just put some music up on all this shit. Niggas is losing already. So y'all, we are on the 3rd game, and I won every single game. I'm like that. I'm that girl. I'm winning.